Okay, so solve this polynomial by factoring. So whenever we have a polynomial which is higher than quadratic, we know that either we got to have some formula for it, which we really don't have many. You know, we have the sum and difference of cubes. We have, sometimes there's quadratic types. That might get us to a fourth degree. But most of the time it means you have a common factor of x that you can take out. And in this case, this is a fourth degree polynomial, and each term has x squared in common. So if I'm solving this, 0 equals x to the fourth minus x to the third minus 20x squared. The first thing I would do is factor x squared from both terms. Come on. And generally, what you get left in the parentheses will be easily factorable. Okay, so what two numbers? The product is negative 20 and the sum is negative 1. Negative 5, positive 4. Okay, so what are the zeros? Okay, 0. 0 comes from this. 5 and negative 4. Right. If I was looking at this on a graph, okay, at 5 we would have a 0. At 0 we would have a 0. And at negative 4 we would have a 0. It's a fourth degree polynomial, and it's positive, right? So we know that it's going to have the rises to the left, rises to the right. Okay, but notice this thing here. Because this 0 here occurs twice, that means when it hits the graph, it's going to go back in the same direction. Right? That's what it means that this is here, x squared. So let's see. That means it's going to go like that. Something like that. Right? So these are there once. So it goes right through the x-axis at those. But this is here twice, which means it will not change sign. X will not change sign when it goes through that point. It's going to stay on the same side of the x-axis.